These are really cute. So obviously, good morning. I'm doing some shopping today. Made a stop at Walmart, now I'm at Dollar Tree. And I'm just checking out all the, ooh, look how cute this is. I wish it wasn't plastic. There's BPA free though. Watermelon. These shot glasses have been around for as long as I can freaking remember. But yeah, so it's just gonna be a shop with me day. Ooh, what are these? Oh, it's a water squirter. That is so cute. These are new. These are definitely new. Wow. Kind of shook by that. I currently live in a beach town, and I definitely think these towns get more beach stuff, obviously, but like it's so good. Like, look at these shells. Are you kidding me? See, look at these. Like, they've got out all of these like giant coloring books again. Like, so huge. Look at this, like 300 stickers. That's really cute. I just saw this. I don't think I have this. I've got Candyland. I use these for junk journaling, but I don't have that one. What is this? Okay, getting that. There's just a bunch of new stuff today. Definitely, is this? It's not filled to the top. That one's better. So I get that one. They've got these like belly masks. I already got one of those. Ooh, wait a minute. What? Gotta get that. One in the cart. I think I already got that. Gonna get that. This looks new. Cotton candy. Raspberry. Oh my god, I cannot believe they have this here. What? Wait. Okay, I just got a ton of candy because I want to try the viral candy salad. So we're gonna do that in today's video, but I have a nail appointment, so let's go ahead and check it out. I'll take you guys to my nail appointment too, and then we'll do the candy salad at the end of this video. So let's go. Alright, here are my nails. These are actually my real nails, which I've never had them do it like this before. I guess this is like the dip, so no acrylic. And I wanted them to do it pretty natural. Got my toes. They have like a, yeah, also very natural. So I really like it. I'm really excited about this because it feels like, well, obviously it's my real nail, so it just feels better. I know I'm gonna type better. Yeah, I just don't really know a lot about nails, and you guys know that I pretty much don't ever get them done, but so I definitely think the dip is good for me. Here's Loki. Yeah, what's baby doing? Let's go for a walk. All right, we're back now, and I'm going to make the viral candy bowl salad, or whatever it's called. Saw it viral on TikTok. And because I just don't need a huge bowl for me, I thought I would grab this cute little container from Dollar Tree. I already peeled off the sticker. And essentially, you just get a bunch of candy. You can do themes as well. Yeah, so let's just kind of jump in. I think I probably bought a little too much for this, but we're just gonna go ahead and Alright, so now I'm gonna try to give it a good toss or a mix. This is just for me. This is a lot of candy for one person, but this is essentially what I have seen that has gone completely viral on TikTok. Just this candy salad. And that is what it looks like. It's pretty cute, and it was really fun to do. Could be really fun for movie night to make. You could even like make smaller ones, obviously. Like this is just a ton of candy. And people were doing it in like these large like salad bowls. So like a candy salad essentially. But anyways, this went viral. I wanted to try it doing Dollar Tree candy. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.